Hi, you are welcome in IoT learning series. Today we will discuss about a project that is women safety system. So we will simulate our project on Proteus software, and you need to just keep some hardwares along with you, that is Node MCU board, GPS module, buzzer and a switch. So let's start this video. First of all, just you need to open Proteus software. So let's open this software and we will design our circuit in Proteus, and we will implement the same circuit on your project. So first of all, you have to create a new project and you have to give a name of this project, that is women safety system, that is IoT based. So we will write here IoT based women safety system. Now you have to just finish this pop-up, and now the workspace is open. So some components which I have explained earlier, just we need to add here. For that purpose, just you need to move in component mode and click on pick devices. Now here you have to just type for node MCU. So you will find here a node MCU and click on OK. It will add it in your devices list. Again we required GPS module, so we will search here for GPS. Here you will get a GPS module, click OK and it will add it in your devices list. Now just we required buzzer, so here you have to type buzzer. You will get an option for buzzer, so just click on OK. It will get added in your device list. Now we required a switch, so we will type here for switch and click OK. So it will also added in your device list. Now it's turn to just make connection with node MCU board. So first of all, we place node MCU in workspace area. Again, just we need to place GPS module. So we need to just rotate it. Sorry, you need not to rotate. You can just make connection as it is. Now we need to place switch. So here you need to place a switch. Again, just we need to place buzzer. So here I have placed buzzer. Now we need to make connection diagram. So let's make it zoom in so that you can see it very clearly. So here you have to just connect TX pin of GPS module with D4 of node MCU. So we will just make connection. Sometime due to the some speed of laptop, it's malfunctioning, so you have to just wait. Now we will make connection. So as I have told you, D4 we will connect with TX of GPS module. So the connection is completed. Now we will connect D3 of node MCU to the RX pin of GPS module. So make connection very carefully, so there should not be any difference with the connection, because if there will be the connection mismatch, so your project will not work. according to your connection you have to just design the code. So here buzzer we need to connect with, you can connect this on any pin, according to that you have to make your circuit or code. So now the ground of buzzer should be connected with the ground pin of node MCU. Now again just we need to connect switch with one end of the switch should be connected with ground and other end of the switch we will connect on pin number D6 of node MCU. So here connection is completed. Just you have to make the same connection with your hardwares. I have made the same connection. I can see you, as you can see on the screen. Here this is switch, this is buzzer, this is node MCU board, and this is GPS module. So I have made the same connection as I have implemented in Proteus software. So you have to make the same connection. Now it's turn to just move in Arduino IDE software so that I can see the code. So we will minimize it. Now open Arduino IDE software. So you have to wait until it opens. Here you can see this is the code which I will use in our project, that is women safety system. Let's explain the code, how does it works. As I have explained in previous videos, here you can see this is the credential for Blink IoT platform. I will just configure Blink console. So I will show you that how you have to configure that. Let's explain the other lines of the code. Here you can see software serial that will use your GPS signal. So software serial it will communicate with your GPS module which I have connected on the pin as I have explained. So this is the library which you need to include, that is for GPS module. Rest of lines I have explained in previous videos. Now as you can see here, the logic I have used, that is we have connected switch on pin number D6. So I will just use a pull-up function that will just make our pin number D6 high. When I will just press the switch, it will just become low. So the node MCU will come to know that you have pressed the switch. So here some functions I have used to read the GPS signal. So you can see here in the while loop, if the GPS data is available, then it will just run display information function. So let me show you what is display information. Here this is the display information. So here as you can see, the longitude and latitude it will just read from GPS module, and we will configure our virtual pin of Blink console on pin V1 and V2. It will just send the data in the form of a string. So here you can see latitude and longitude will be sent on Blink console platform. So let's open Blink console. Here one more thing just I want to explain. I will use just a visit box, that is LED, when the switch is pressed. So here I have used visit when the switch is pressed. Suppose if any woman is harassed by someone, so she will press a switch, it will just send a notification on your IoT platform with the help of LED. So let's configure. This is the coding portion. Now we will upload this with the change of this credential. Let's configure the IoT. So open Blink console now. So open your browser and click for Blink console and login. After that you will just find this home page. Now we need to create our project. Click on new template and we will just here define for name of our project, that is women safety. So write here the name of your project. Now you have to choose here ESP8266 in hardware section. Click on done. So the template will be created. Now you have to click on data streams. So here we need to create a data stream. First we will choose add new data stream, and from here we need to choose virtual pins. So here first we need to create longitude. So longitude we will receive on, we will use virtual pins for that. So here we need to just see which pin we have used to receive longitude. Here the virtual pin, that is longitude, we will be receive on V2. So we need to choose here V2 as for longitude. So this is configured. Now data type we will just receive here string. Default value just we will add here 81.3. so when there will be no receiving data, so it will show you this value. So click on create. So data stream for longitude is added. Now we need to create another data stream for latitude. So we will use here latitude for pin number 1, which we have used in our programming section. Now we will write here for some values that will be displayed when there will be no receiving data. So we have this created. Now we will just configure one more virtual pin. For that, alert for visit, that is lead, we have explained earlier. Here you can see when the switch is pressed by a woman, so lead will indicate you alert. So for that purpose we have used virtual pin, that is V4. So here we need to just choose V4 as for alert LED. Now just click on create option. So we have just created data streams. Now we need to move on web dashboard. Here just we need, from widget box you need to choose label. For in the label section we will just able to see the longitude and latitude. Now again we need required display, that is LED. So we will just configure our widget box. First just you have to choose data stream, click on latitude. So for the first level we will choose latitude, and latitude will be displayed on first level. On the second just you need to choose longitude. So just we will be able to see longitude on level number 2. For visit LED you need to click on setting. Here we will choose alert notification that we have created earlier. So you can choose here from any color, from color option. I will choose red color and click on save option. So here you can see your configuration for widget box is completed. So click on save option, it will get saved. Again we need to click on search option. Here you will get an option for adding a new device. So click on add new device. A pop-up will be thrown. Here you have to choose from template. So click on this, and from template when you will click here you will be able to see your project that is created earlier. So you have to choose women safety and click on create option. Here you can see your project is created and credential related to your project is provided here. When you will hover your mouse on these, so it will show an option to copy the code. So you have to just copy this and move to Arduino programming section. As I have explained earlier, here you have to remove this credential with your credential that is created. So don't forget to replace this one, and you have to copy authentication code from here and paste in authentication character. So here you can see this is created. Now we have to just upload this code in Node MCU board. So as you can see, this is the project that we have just created. Now connect your Node MCU board to the laptop with the help of data cable. Now move in tools option and here select port and hit on upload code. That will get uploaded in your Node MCU board. Wait until finish this process. As you can see, the code is compiling, and after the completion of compilation, it will just get upload your code in your Node MCU board. So let's move in Blink console while this is uploading. Here as you can see, the project is completed. Now you are able to see here your device is offline now. So click on search option. Here you will be able to see your project that is created and status for your device is offline. So when your device will be connected and the code is uploaded successfully, so you will be able to see here it will show you the online. Now let's move to Arduino IDE. The code is compiling and you can see here the code is now uploading to your device. So the process for uploading is going on. Wait until finish this. As you can see, code uploadation process is completed. Now just you have to see, or you can minimize this Arduino IDE software. You have to move on Blink console. Here you can see the women safety device is online now. Earlier it was offline, now it's showing online, and here you can see your data is getting uploaded in your Blink console. As alert, there is no alert, so it is showing you white color. And now let's move to operate our project. Now you can see this is our project and alert is not showing anything. So let's make an alert. When any woman is harassed by someone, then she will press this switch. As you can see here, the buzzer is start to beep and alert is showing you red color. As you can see, when the switch is pressed, it will start to beep, so that someone near the woman can help her, and alert will be shown on your display. So here our project is working very fine. So this video is completed now. Thanks for your patience.